Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So we'll go straight over to those charts. So 4 hour, you can see we've got a bit of constructive price action going on here. Looking like we want to take back this 9,200 level, which I think is pretty important for us to do so. I'll just draw this line on here because obviously if we fall below this channel at some point it could not be ideal for the price action, but we could get supported by it on the way up, so that's good to see. Obviously we've got quite a bit of resistance up here, obviously most notably the 9,200 and then this horizontal. So we're really looking to try and break above this and test up to around the 9,400, and then that's going to be our real test, I believe. I mean, if we get above here, this will be a bigger test. If we fail this test, then this will be obviously an incredible show of weakness if we then come down and then take out 9,000. But we've got to at least try and give this a chance. I would have thought give this a test. So yeah, that's the 4 hour. Let's look at the 4 hour Stokes. Yeah, these are potentially going to be turning back down now. So that's obviously not a good sign. There's still room for them if we get a push over 200, 9,200, for them to continue on upwards, which is what we really need to see in all fairness. And the 12 hour Stokes turning up, so we may get that push up. We may get a continuation of push up in the 4 hour Stokes. If we look, we have been higher. We can basically get higher. Look, we've had similar price action here, turn back over, then push back up. We can do it. Daily looking to turn back around as well. Looking like we're getting supported by this trend line. So yeah, the potential descending wedge in the in this stochastics. But yeah, I mean, look at this trend line. I'll look more to this trend line as supporting us, and if that can turn back up, 12 hour can get a move on back up, then I don't think the 4 hour will hold us up too much, and we can basically get over this 9,200 and start making moves to the top of the channel. It may start to look quite bullish if we can get above here and hold above here, especially above 9,500, because we will be sat above this channel. What I would expect if we do that, is that we will potentially come up and test the 9,700, and then we'll come and back test this as support. Maybe even the top of the trend line, and then it may be lift off. We may be back up to 10k, and we're going to see what happens up there. So it could be constructive. We're gonna have confirmations. Really, we're close to 9,000. If we get back below 9,000 or even below, and then obviously even, but yeah, if you get to here, we're going to be below here. But yeah, if you get below here, start trading consecutive, like say 4 hour candles below here, then we've definitely got the ability to come down and test here. And then this is their main test. This is the level. This is the no bueno zone for Bitcoin. We don't want to be going down here, but coming down to here isn't the end of the world, I don't think. Potentially flush out a lot of longs, and then we can make a move up. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here. Not really too much else to say on today's price action. You can see the 12 hour TD on the 9 on the 12 hour is helping us, is bouncing price a bit. So yeah, we've just got to maintain this trend line, regain this one, get back up to here, try and regain that one. Even if we don't and we have to come back and test this trend line or this support and then make our way up, that's fine, as long as we're not breaking this 9,000 zone. If we do that, I mean, we got clear defined levels anyway. We know what's going on price action wise. We know what we've got to look out for. And then obviously taking our lead from stonks, as Dave Portney would say. But yeah, had a bit of a sell-off from that 9 overnight. So you can see how good these 9s are. The 1 hour 9s are quite good. I think I did say yesterday the 1 hour 9, the 1 hour 9, and then look, there's 1 hour 9 here. But yeah, that looks like it may have played out, and we can push up. If we can push above, obviously this 9, that will give us continuation to the upside. And then we've got this, just lock my drawing tools. We've got this trend line coming in here, and if we can break above that, then I'd expect the 786, and then we could break above that. I'd expect basically us to make our way back to all-time highs, and which that would be incredibly bullish for Bitcoin. The flip side is quite clear. This is the sort of trend line. This is the horizontal. I mean, that's kind of what we're looking at here, really. So we'll have to monitor both of those. We'll just straighten this up a little bit. Oh, I've locked it, so I can't. So yeah, that's it. That's what we're looking at, really, guys. So I will speak to you guys later on in the day. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll have the second part of the altcoin video coming out later today. And yeah, so thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.